Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time format on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the up/menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through it, like this. Scroll through the menu until you find the system option, select it and then press the start/stop button. Now scroll down, select the time option and press the start button. Here we have the time format and date format. Select the time format first, press the start button, and right here we can select one of the time formats. We have 12-hour, 24-hour and military. Select the one you like, then press the start button to confirm. Next we have the date format, select it, press the start button, and here we can select day, month, year, month, day, year, year, month, day. Select the one you like and then press the start button to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time and date format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.